Kasi hindi pa siya congressman din. Nagsilbi siya sa opisina na noon ay majority leader na ngayon ay speaker, Martin Romualdez.
Ganun po.
Noong 2023, at bago pa pag-usapan yung confidential fund ng Vice President, tumayo siya. Hindi po ba niyo naaalala? Yung opisina ng Vice President is the second highest office. In 2023, naalala ko po, tinatalakay po yung budget ng Vice President.
Yes.
Tumayo po ang ating Senior Deputy Majority Leader.
Opo, Kong Sandro Marcos.
Ang panganay na anak ng ating Pangulo.
Opo.
One of the most amiable members of the House of Representatives. Alam ko yan din.
Opo.
Kasi hindi pa siya congressman din. Nagsilbi siya sa opisina na noon ay majority leader na ngayon ay speaker, Martin Romualdez.
Ganun po.
Napakagalang na bata niyan din.
So matagal na pala sa Congress si Kong Sandro?
Doon siya nag-training. Alam mo, yung kanyang bearing, ano? Yung bearing. Makikita mo talaga, very professional, napakabait na bata.
Okay.
Hanggang sa maging ganap na congressman din. Bakit ko nababanggit ito, Mr. Chair? Noong 2023, at bago pa pag-usapan yung confidential fund ng Vice President, tumayo siya. Sabi niya, Mr. Chair, sabi niya, I am invoking, sabi niya, the long time and the time-honored tradition at the office of the in processing the budget of the Vice President.
Opo.
There are no questions being asked, sabi niya.
Yes, in line with the long-standing tradition of giving the office of the Vice President parliamentary courtesy, I move to terminate the budget of the office of the Vice President.
I object,
We have
Madam
a motion,
Chair.
duly seconded. We have a motion, duly seconded, for the termination of the budget of the presentation of the
We
office of the Vice
object,
President.
Madam Chair.
We have
we
a
object.
motion for the objection. The chair now calls for the division of the House. Those who are in favor for the motion to terminate the discussion for the office of the Vice President, please raise your hands. Secretariat is requested to please count the votes. We have 21 members of the Committee on Appropriations manifesting for the approval of the motion. The chair declares for the motion to terminate the presentation of the budget approved.
Wala na itatanong.
And because of that, Madam Chair, Mr. Chair, wala na nagtanong.
Wala na.
In 10 to 15 minutes na approve po ang budget ng Vice President. So gusto kong ibalik sa kanila, meron kaming tradisyon eh. Meron kaming unwritten rule. Kung minsan yung mga unwritten rule na yun.
Yun ang naghahari talaga.
Yun ang naghahari.
Totoo naman
At
yan po.
hindi po pwedeng baguhin basta-basta lamang yun. Ngayon, naghahanap ako ngayon ng kasagutan. Baka naman gusto nilang balikan yun. Hindi ba? Kailan lang nangyari? 2023. It was the son of the President, the senior assistant majority leader, deputy majority leader, ang nagsabi at nag-sponsor ng budget. Invoking the time-honored tradition kept by the House. In-approve kagad yung budget. So ano ba nangyari? Baka naman gusto nyong balikan po yun. Bigyan niyo po ako ng matibay na dahilan kung bakit kailangan natin baguhin yung tradisyon. Hindi po ba niyo naaalala? Yung opisina ng Vice President is the second highest office as indicated by the Constitution. So tingnan niyo yung uri ng pagtatanong kung paano tanungin.
Is this part ba of what you said earlier, Representative Kimbo, let's stick to the plan? Yun yung narinig ko sa iyo kanina na hindi mo in-accommodate yung point of order na question.
I do not recall saying the phrase, stick to the plan.
I ruled that we stick to our plan. We stick to our plan.
We stick to our plan.